Coffee with JD. I'm pleased to have Dr. Naveen Arya as the guest for this segment of Coffee with JD. Dr. Naveen Arya is a Ayurvedic practitioner, yoga therapist, and also Managing Director of Ayurveda Yoga Ashram Private Limited. He has been in this field for last 25 years, and he is also a Vedic scholar. In this episode, we will be talking about Ayurveda and how Dr. Naveen Arya, through his organization, is providing the salish to our community worldwide. Welcome to Coffee with JD, Dr. Arya.
Sada namaste.
Thank you. Thank you, Naveen ji.
Background, we all doctors from this India, we approached to WHO and we basically mentioned a shlok from Ayurveda. That is, the sam dosha, sam dhatu, sam agni mal kriya, prasanna indriya atma mana Ayurveda vidhite. It means when your body and mind and soul are in equilibrium, so that when there is no problem at all in your body, mind and soul, then it is known as Ayurveda. It is known as health. So according to Ayurveda, health is an equilibrium between body, mind and soul. Number 2, Ayurveda is the only science which shows us that it is not meant to cure the disease only. Firstly, it is meant to make you healthy with the natural measures. After that, second part is, if you are suffering with some A, B or C disorder, we have to cover that. It means, swasthasya swastha rakshanam aturasya vikar prashamnam cha. First line is, we have to keep ourselves healthy. If we are healthy, the measures which we are taking is known as Ayurveda. And you know, as you are again from Vedic background, Ayurveda is a Upved of Atharvaved, which is the oldest book of the world. So, according to Ayurveda, we should know ourselves from the root cause and we should cure ourselves from the root cause, not only with the help of signs and symptoms.
Thank you so much, Dr. Arya. That was really wonderful, and the information you have just given to the viewers is just in a very brief manner and is very, very engaging. Now, Dr. Arya, Ayurveda is a natural way of treating elements, as you mentioned, because you want the body, mind and soul to be in equilibrium. Now, please, can you inform our viewers how is this achieved through natural methods, Dr. Arya?
Yes, very good. This is a very good question, because first of all, keep in your mind, Ayurveda is a kitchen. Everything, according to Indian perspective, you have in your kitchen, those all spices can be treated as an Ayurvedic remedies. For example, the first line is Ahar and second line is Vihar. Ahar means our diet. Vihar means our lifestyle. So we can achieve Ayurveda goals with the help of attaining good diet and good lifestyle. Good diet means the diet which is basically recommended to you by an Ayurvedic practitioner according to your body constitution. And lifestyle means which is needed for you, for your problems, for your habitat. If you are living in Australia, I am living in India, and if you and me both are suffering with same disease, again, our treatment can vary. In your case, some A herb is really beneficial for you. For me, it is B. If you and me, both genders are different, our treatment can vary. Our weight is different, our treatment can vary. So Ayurveda always basically emphasizes on each and every nook and corner of your constitution. And similarly, in the same way, our lifestyle. For example, if I am watching and grabbing TV and spending my time on screen time up to 2 a.m. midnight without any reason, and it means I am going to increase my Vata disorders and I am going to be a patient of Vata imbalance. So, according to Ayurveda, you should be aware your body constitution, your mind constitution, and according to that, which can be the best remedy for you according to your constitution. This will be achieved only with the knowledge of Ayurveda, Ayurveda diet style, Ayurveda lifestyle.
Thank you, Dr. Arya. That is very interesting information. Ayurveda comes from Vedas, as you stated, and different body types will require different treatments, as you've just mentioned very briefly. Can you please further elaborate on the body constituency? Like, what are types of body types for our viewers, Dr. Arya?
Yes. Jitendraji, very good question, because Ayurveda is basically lies on the principles of body constitution. There are total 7 types of body constitution. One is Vata, that is air dominant. Second is Pitta, that is fire dominant. Third is Kapha, that is water dominant. These are 3 main categories, and there may be a blend of Vata plus Pitta, that is 4th, then Vata plus Kapha, that is 5th, and then Vata plus Kapha, that is 7th. So according to these 3 main categories, 3 blends are there, and 7th one is a mixture of Vata plus Pitta plus Kapha. So in basic level, you have to be in the knowledge of your body constitution. For example, if I just take example of a very simple disease, that is hypertension, blood pressure. If you are suffering with hypertension, your allopathic practitioner gives you some salt like A, B or C. But if you are suffering with hypertension and you comes for an Ayurvedic consultation, first of all, Ayurvedic doctor will just go deep for your constitution. If you are Vata dominant personality, it means your body constitution is Vata and your blood pressure is due to Vata. There may be stress, there may be restlessness, there may be some unaccomplished goals, some targets, some deadlines. Then you will directly suffer with Vata blood pressure. But if you are on a Pitta note, fire imbalance, it means your blood pressure is directly related with your anger mismanagement. When your anger level goes on high, it means your blood pressure goes on high. And in this case, we have to give the treatment of Pitta hypertension. And number 3, if you are suffering with some faulty food habits, if you are eating junk food, you are taking soft drinks, you are taking hard drinks, and you are having some plaques on your heart, some cholesterol, it means you are suffering with some Kapha blood pressure. So we have to give the treatment for Kapha blood pressure. So in nutshell, this is just I am giving example of one disease. This can same be happen for your pain management, for your infertility, for your digestive problem, for your skin problem, for your kidney problem, for your heart problem. So we have to maintain your body dosha equilibrium, and then according to that we have to decide now particular person A needs which type of treatment, anti-Vataj, anti-Pittaj or anti-Kaphaj. This is a very vast topic. For example, if I have to elaborate to my viewers what is Vata, it needs 40 minutes to explain. And after my lecture of Vata, every viewers of or every listeners can assess their body constitution with a very simple and comfortable manner. So that's why I always check my patients on the behalf of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. If we know the personality, if we know the constitution, only then we can provide the best Ayurvedic treatment.
Thank you so much, Dr. Arya. And this is, of course, the message that you've given to the viewers, how everything works according to the Ayurveda is really good information. And I'm very sure the viewers will definitely, when they listen to this, they will have a basic understanding. And of course, they will want to find out more about this, And finally, for our viewers, Dr. Arya, are you able to please give some contact information or any website of yours, or of you, if you know of something of that sort? Can you please tell our viewers how they can go and find out more about Ayurveda?
Yes. I am running my Ayurveda portal, and we are the among top 10 websites of India among Ayurvedic portals. Our website name is ayurvedayogashram.com. And you can also listen to my all video clips on my YouTube channel, that is Ayurveda Yogashram. Plus, you can Skype my message at naveen.kumar.arya. Or otherwise, if any person want any type of consultation on for the viewers of Coffee with JD, we will provide total free of cost consultations on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 0091 is India code, and the number is 9876010220. At this number, he or she can talk to us, chat with us, and we have 7 doctors with our team, and we have 31 telecallers with our Ayurveda Yogashram company, and they are eligible enough to provide you all the remedies and some instructions or some diet consultations or some lifestyle consultation. And if you want some detailed elaborations, you can email us info@ayurvedayogashram.com.
Thank you so much for Dr. Arya. Really wonderful to know all the contact details, and I'm sure viewers will be able to contact you if they need to know further on this. And of course, as you've elaborated on the YouTube channel that you have, and also the website we have, and as the technology we have these days, it's very easy to access information. Thank you so much for that. Now, Ayurveda is an excellent Asian method of keeping healthy. The food and the treatments are available through various outlets, and we are privileged to have Dr. Naveen Arya, who is very happy to answer any queries. So thank you so much for coming on the show, Dr. Arya. And to all our viewers, thanks for watching Coffee with JD, and please stay tuned. We shall meet next week Friday. Till then, please take care and good night.
Thank you.